Are you exhausted from grading stacks of papers late at night only to go in the next morning to feel undervalued? You're not alone. Thousands of teachers are leaving U.S. classrooms, and many are finding opportunities teaching abroad. But is it really worth it? Let's find out. Hi, I'm Kimberly, an international educator who has taught in Abu Dhabi and now in Brazil. And after more than 20 years in education, I've helped teachers just like you take that leap abroad with courage, confidence, and clarity. Here's why so many teachers are choosing to teach abroad and how you can too. Reason number one, better pay and perks. Many schools offer tax free salaries, they offer housing allowances, or they provide school housing, like I live in now. They offer flight benefits, which means they give you a flight to get to the school and they offer at least one flight home. This alone can be life changing. Reason number two, adventure and lifestyle. Imagine weekends exploring Europe, the Middle East, or South America. Your classroom could truly be anywhere in the world. Reason number three, professional growth. International schools often have innovative programs like the International Baccalaureate Program, and they value professional development. This is something that US schools often struggle with and sometimes don't prioritize. When I first moved to Abu Dhabi, I thought I was just escaping the burnout and the toxic experiences I endured in the US classrooms. But what I realized is I discovered a renewed passion for teaching again and a lifestyle that gave me energy again. And that's when I realized that teaching abroad wasn't just a career move for me, but a life transformation. That's why I created EduXit to help teachers and other educators prepare for the international classroom and life abroad with courage, confidence, and clarity. If you're ready to explore teaching abroad, grab my free EduXit Country Match quiz in its links below. And please remember to subscribe and share and come back for weekly tips on how to take your teaching career global. I'll see you in the next one.